Welcome back to Hartville Farm. In today's dive into the world of superfoods, we're uncovering the magic of the beetroot. This earthy gem with its vibrant ruby red hue has been a favorite in culinary culture since time immemorial. Tracing its roots back to the ancient civilizations, beetroot was not only considered a staple food, but it was also revered for its medicinal properties. The Greeks and Romans, for instance, didn't just consume it, they celebrated it. In fact, beetroot was so highly esteemed that it was offered to Apollo, the Greek sun god, at the Delphi temple. They believed it to be worth its weight in silver. Fast forward to today, beetroot continues to grace our plates and bowls, not just for its rich, earthy flavor, but for its wealth of nutrients. Packed with everything from vitamin C to iron, from magnesium to fiber, beetroot is truly a powerhouse of health. But why the historical and ongoing obsession? Science says it's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Athletes often incorporate beetroot into their diet. Now that's not just because they fancy its earthy taste or its vibrant color. Beetroot holds a secret power that can give athletes an edge in their performance. Science has shown that beetroot is rich in dietary nitrates, which our bodies convert into nitric oxide. This nitric oxide acts like a little helper, improving blood flow, reducing the amount of oxygen our muscles need, and thus, enhancing our stamina and endurance. Imagine being able to run that extra mile or lift that extra weight, all thanks to a humble root vegetable. But wait, what if you're not too keen on munching on a raw beetroot? Well, you're in for a treat. Beetroot juice is a convenient and equally beneficial alternative. It's like having a magic elixir in a glass. A daily glass of beetroot juice can lower blood pressure, potentially acting as a natural medicine for hypertension patients. So, whether you're an athlete or not, beetroot has something to offer everyone. Our liver is our body's detox agent, and guess what? Beetroot is its best friend. Now that's a friendship we all need to foster. Let's delve deeper into the detoxifying prowess of this earthy gem. Every bite of beetroot is a step towards a cleaner, healthier you. Its rich content of calcium, iron, and B vitamins works in tandem to support your liver, the star player in your body's detoxification process. But the magic doesn't stop there. Beetroot boasts of betaine, a unique compound that aids liver function and helps protect this crucial organ from toxins. It's like an added layer of defense working round the clock to keep your liver in top-notch condition. And the benefits continue to flow quite literally. Beetroot is a blood purifier, flushing out toxins and impurities from your bloodstream. It's like giving your body a refreshing cleanse from the inside out. So, the next time you're planning a detox, remember to invite beetroot to the party. Containing calcium, betaine, B vitamins, iron, and antioxidants, beetroot not only supports detoxification but also helps purify your blood and liver. But the magic isn't limited to what's inside of us. Beetroot's benefits have made a mark in skincare too. This vibrant gem is a natural beauty booster, with its anti-inflammatory properties giving your skin a natural glow. It keeps acne at bay, reduces pigmentation, and even delays signs of aging. So next time you're whipping up a DIY face mask, remember to invite beetroot to the party. Now let's shift gears and head over to the kitchen, where beetroot's culinary versatility truly shines. This earthy delight can be a star ingredient in a wide array of dishes. Picture a crunchy beetroot salad bursting with freshness, or a chilled beetroot soup that's a summer savior. But wait, there's more. Have you tried beetroot in your morning smoothie or juice? It's a fantastic way to kickstart your day, blending taste with health. And for those with a sweet tooth, beetroot even finds its way into desserts. Beetroot brownies or beetroot and chocolate cake, anyone? These treats not only satisfy your cravings but also pack in a healthy punch. And if you're a fan of traditional dishes, beetroot's your friend there too. It adds a pop of color and a unique flavor to pickles and condiments, ensuring that no meal is ever dull. Beetroot's versatility in the kitchen is another feather in its cap. Salads, juices, or even desserts, this nature's elixir seamlessly blends taste with health. So next time you're in the kitchen, let beetroot add a dash of magic to your meal. As the sun sets and we conclude our magical beetroot journey, remember this: nature's gifts are abundant and powerful. The humble beetroot, with its vibrant hue and wealth of health benefits, is a testament to this truth. Whether you seek a health boost, a skincare solution, or a delightful culinary experience, this ruby red wonder can be your ally. So, embrace the beetroot's magic and let it enrich your life. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and let nature's wonders like beetroot guide your path to well-being.